In this video, we will cover some fundamentals for grading in the Blackboard Grade Center. In this course, all assignments, tests, etc. have already been created. They have also been categorized, and a weighted average column has been created. Open the full Grade Center. Let's begin by looking at the icons in the icon legend in the bottom right corner. Needs grading, attempt in progress, and override will be used the most. The Needs Grading link under Grade Center is the quickest way to access a list of assignments that need grades and feedback. You can also click on the drop-down arrow beside of a Needs Grading symbol for an assignment to view the attempt. Click on the attempt to grade. You can add annotations and comments in this area, or you can download the file and mark it up. Some instructors fill out a grade sheet or rubric in Word or Excel and post it as an attachment. Here's an example of a grade sheet in Excel. You can export it to PDF by going to File, Export. If it's a simple assignment, you may just want to enter a quick comment. For this one, I will enter a comment. Attach a PDF grade sheet. Enter the grade, and then click Submit. Here is a discussion that needs grading. It has a rubric attached. You can mark the items on the rubric to calculate the grade. This is a very simple rubric. Most are more complex. Check an item on the rubric, enter the grade, click Save Rubric. Click Submit. If you ever want to exempt a student from an assignment, click the drop-down arrow and then click on Exempt Grade. Students may accidentally upload an incorrect file and request a resubmission. Some instructors allow this, others do not. If you allow it, you can click the drop-down arrow on the Needs Grading symbol and then click View Grade Details. Click on Ignore Attempt. If they upload a new file, you can come back and clear the erroneous attempt. If they do not submit a corrected file, you can come back to click on Do Not Ignore Attempt and grade what they originally submitted. If you want to change a grade without going back to the attempt, you can enter an override grade. Press the Enter key or the Tab key to save the grade. Use this method for manually entered grade columns. If you want to enter feedback for an override grade on a manual column, click the drop-down arrow on the cell. Click View Grade Details. Click the Manual Override tab. Enter comments and/or attach feedback using the Insert File icon. Save it. Return to the Full Grade Center. Click the drop-down arrow on a column. Send Reminder is a quick way to notify students of assignments that are due. The reminder is sent to the college email account listed in Blackboard. This works well for assignments and discussions. It does not seem to work too well for manual columns with override grades. I have experienced it sending a reminder to those students even when the override grade has been posted. Another item of interest on this menu may be Assignment File Download. This allows you to download a zipped file of all assignment submissions. You could grade them offline and return to Blackboard later to post grades and feedback. Let's download a backup of the gradebook. Click Work Offline, Download. Most of the time you will leave the options at their default settings. Click Submit. Click Download. Save the file. We will close by looking at a grade estimator in Microsoft Excel. Notice how the average in the estimator perfectly matches the average in Blackboard. This shows a completed course with all grades posted, but students can enter estimated grades for remaining assignments in the spreadsheet to determine if they can still make a grade of A, B, etc. Let's quickly look at the average if formula in cell C44. This calculates the 5% of the average for concepts assignments. It does so by looking in column C for the words concept assignment. If it finds that phrase, it takes the corresponding value from column D and averages it. Lastly, it is multiplied by 0.05 because this part of the grade is 5%. Do this for all categories. Total them up to get the overall average.